Hey there, Ajay here from JAI SEO Tips YouTube channel, and today we're going to learn about how to rank in ChatGPT. So let's get started.
So, step number 1, ChatGPT reads public crawlable HTML pages. Avoid JS only or hidden content or any kind of content on your website. Make sure your website text is visible and it's simple. And please make sure to change the robots.txt to user allow everything. Number 1.1 is set up a LLMs.txt file. So how can you do that? You can just visit LLMs.txt generator. So that's RadarKit's free LLM.txt generator. Enter the website and you can just click generate. It will take like 5 to 10 seconds and it will generate a fully functional LLMs.txt file for your website. Over here, you can see that it has fetched what does the domain zoho.com does. And you can see all of its services, its integration, contact, about us, case studies, and everything it has mentioned. Next step is to, obviously, that I shared in the beginning, is that use a HTML based website. Always use HTML structure. If you're using a Vercel or Cursor or any kind of vibe coding platform, then make sure that it is in HTML, because the vibe coding platforms do make the websites in JavaScript or React. Step 3, your website should be a very fast loading website. Speed matters. So fast sites rank better and get crawled more. Use tools like Page Speed Insights or GTmetrix and optimize the images, and you get a better hosting like a cloud hosting and your code. If, let's say, you have to just go to page speed, enter zoho.com and run an analysis to learn that your website is fast or not. Step number 4, build topical authority. Follow Corey's topical authority approach. Create content in branches to cover every topic in your niche. For example, if you write about cars, cover pricing, color, engine, models, reviews, and each and every section of your main topic. You can follow Zapier's approach of linking to each and every content. You can go to the bottom of Zapier and you can see how they have done. You see each and every topic in their website has been bifurcated by their letters. Step 5, competitor research. Open ChatGPT and search your main keyword. For example, best CRM software. Note which websites are getting mentioned over there and analyze their content style, structure, and topics. Check who ChatGPT is citing for those queries. If you're not able to do it, if you have multiple queries, what you can do is you can just open RadarKit.ai. And for now, I have added Zoho. And what RadarKit does is prompts your keywords in real time to all the LLMs every single day. Okay, so you can check the responses every time that if your brand has been mentioned or not. Okay, step 6, press releases. Publish press releases to stay visible in the news. You can use the free ones and you can also use a paid one, which I usually use. I use the AB Newswire. The $80 package does work well for me. You get a link in AP News, Benzinga, the Global Mail, Bar Chart, and other websites. So you get a good set of links in for let's say $80, which is, I think, worth the money. You can also use EIN Presswire, which starts around 50, but I still choose AB Newswire. Get more content on Reddit, as Reddit is the most cited source as per our internal data on RadarKit.ai. And you must also know that Sam Altman owns some shares in Reddit. So he's never going to, let go of Reddit. Step 7, track citations and get links from the sites who get cited. And for this, you can use RadarKit's citation dashboard, wherein you can just come to any kind of prompt that you have been tracking. You can go to the citation data and you can see what all websites are getting cited over here. You can come to the opportunities tab, and here you'll learn that all these websites are UGC, and you can outreach and get a link over there. Free promo, RadarKit.ai is free for 7 days. So you can go onto the website and sign up for 7 days free. Thanks.